Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Friday, 20th of the August 2021, the last day of the trading week, so let's take a look at the Forex calendar. The key event of today had been released overnight. It was a national CPI from Japan and it was way worse than expectations, minus 0.3% versus minus 0.1%, while the previous reading was minus 0.5%. CPI excluding the fresh food and energy were on the same level, so there's no surprise here. Retail sales data from the UK were published during the London session, and retail sales are down minus 2.5%, way below the expectations of 0.2%, and way that last reading of 0.2% as well. Producer price index in Germany are increasing from 1.3% to 1.9%, so we can see inflationary pressures in Germany starting. During the New York session, there isn't much of the data except the retail sales from the Canada scheduled for release 2:30 and new housing price index. So kind of a low volatility day on Friday, so I think that we should just take a look for the Japanese yen to see how this market reacted on the data. So what do we have here? As we can see, very interesting candle here. Very interesting candle due to the reason that the bulls tried to rally, they were capped. The bears tried to move down below the previous day low, they were capped, and market closed almost in the same level that opened. Today, market tried to rally, but so far we are going lower. The RSI is again under the level of the 50 points. We can add one more technical support because of this new local low from the 8th of the August 2021. For now, the market is close in this range here between 110.73 and the new low 108.73. So that's always 200 pips to move, right? So if there is no breakout above one on the second level, then we cannot say anything about the next move of the market, next serious move. And from the bigger perspective, you can see that after this move here, from the level of 107.59 to the level of 111.71, we've been out of the channel, and then of course we're just making a new lower lows, and then if there's another lower low, then this move will be treated as a counter trend move. So please keep an eye on this. Market euro to the Japanese yen, it's even worse. It's even worse because euro dollar is selling, and because of the strength of the dollar, this time euro is being sold as well. Japanese yen is being bought back up. We hit the technical support at 128.27. We broke below it. The new low is 127.91. The next target is 127.46. This is the next target for bears. Those levels here will act now as a technical resistance. 129.53. there is another technical resistance here, 128.58. So that's the immediate technical resistance. Of course, the key zone is still located between 130.64, 130.93. Momentum is negative, and it wasn't seen above the level of 50 since the beginning of the June 2021. So that's a market that is being controlled by the bears right now. As you can see, the last move up, the one that is inside of the channel, had been violated. The long-term trend line, the blue one, had been violated. We are in a down market. We are trending lower. Let me just put this somewhere here. We can see if there is any channel. I'm just curious. Maybe something like this. I guess it should be more accurate, and this is how it looks like right now. So that's the new channel. Trend line has been violated. We got the channel here, and what can we see is that those levels here, this is the middle level, so we are still trending in the middle, below the middle of the channel. So not very good for bears, and we will likely go lower. GBP, JPY, it's the same situation. Local double top, no expansion towards this Fibonacci projection because the key technical resistance had not been violated, and we are going down. Clear pattern to go short, of course, but that's another story. Technical resistance 153.39, 152.39, and the last one is 151.29. The next target 149.02, 148.46. So we are trending down, back down again. Please keep an eye on this zone here, these two support levels, because last time we had a nice bounce higher. We have a very nice hammer candle. If we break below 148 and 46, we are out of the channel, and this is very bad for bulls, because that would mean our up move is done. The one that is in the blue channel, I'm deleting the blue channel now. We are already making a huge, I mean the biggest correction, right? Because we are now minus 4.88%. If we break below this level, the correction will be like 5%, which is the biggest correction since this low here last year, September last year, right? That's the 2.5%, that's 3%, that's 448. So the up move is done on the British pound to Japanese yen. It looks like people are buying Japanese yen. The traders are buying the Japanese yen, and if the market is back into the main channel. If we break below the main channel, then we'll have to apply this this down channel again, and that means we are in a down trending market. So please keep an eye on 149 of 60. That was exact level 148.46, 149.02. So this is the current level to keep an eye on the Japanese yen. And of course, let's take a look at the end of the day, Ethereum. Some cryptocurrencies. What is Ethereum doing? Perfect example of a bounce, right? This is the bounce. We hit this. This is this part of the scenario, and now we can cancel it or remove it, and not cancel but remove it. And right now we are going higher. We are going higher towards. Let me just break it down for you. 61%. This is the next target. I will make this arrow green. 61% is the next target. Then of course the next target is 300, 600 and 01, and if we break above this target, the next one is the level of 4000, and after the 4000 we are going to test the high. So momentum is still positive, not that strong, 65 points. That's okay for the momentum. So we should see soon the overbought market conditions again, but please notice the fact that this is a trending market, so we can stay in the zone of the extremely overbought conditions for some time. So this is the current scenario, current target levels, as long as the $3,000 and $2,908 zone, this support zone or demand zone is not violated. As long as it's not violated, this is the current scenario and current price levels for the Ethereum. So that's everything from me for the last day of trading. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on Monday. So take care, have a nice weekend, and bye bye.